It's probably impossible to know what lawyer in the state has the most not guilty verdicts in OWI jury trials, but I put my results up on the website because I would hold my track record of success at jury trials and in pretrial litigation up against any other lawyer in the whole state of Wisconsin. Nero DUI Defense is one of a very small number of law firms in the state to have established a track record with some regularity, achieving full not guilty verdicts in cases where juries hear a test result that is well above the legal limit and they vote not guilty anyway. Every once in a while, I am hired by a person who is already represented by another lawyer and they want to make a change in their case, which they have every right to do. This client's previous lawyer had set the case for what's called a plea and sentencing hearing, meaning he was going to enter a guilty plea and be put in jail and have his license revoked. He didn't want to plead guilty. He wanted to plead not guilty, but his lawyer was telling him that there was no reasonable chance of avoiding a conviction in his case. Just like I empowered my client with the ability to decide for himself rather than have his previous lawyer essentially override his decision. We empowered the jury that day by telling them that they are the only thing that's standing between my client and a government that wanted to convict him of a crime that he was not guilty of. And they voted not guilty, they let him go on a third offense. What this case really highlights to me is the importance of picking the best lawyer that you can find. The thing that sets Nero DUI Defense apart from other firms who would take these sorts of cases is the frequency with which we go to trial, and more importantly, go to trial and win.